Hey everybody, welcome back to Ark Survival Evolved. Today we are going to go after an RG. So let's just get right to it and see what we can come up with. Let me find a ride. I'm hoping I can run across a poison RG. And we'll see, I guess. We did have to, or I did have to rebuild my house. The server had an accident where all the buildings were destroyed, so I had to rebuild. So I've been doing that offline to kind of get back to where I was. I did make some flak armor, as you can see, and now it's off to get a flyer. Ooh, I see an awful big circle over here. Good thing about circles, are slow. Let's eat up that dodo. Not sure if there'll be one over here, but I'm hoping there's one. I saw one here the other day when I was here. Doesn't mean it'll still be there, but we need an RG, and a poison RG would be the best. So I'm hoping. I got the black rocks again, that's always nice. Hopefully there's nothing that'll kill me over here. And let's see. I think don't see any Rexes or anything. Oh, here's some RGs. Oh, and a Rex. Let's go to the shore. At least I can outrun a T-Rex on my Raptor. Let's take a gander what's over there. Ooh, 116. Stego. Stego. Oh, there's a Dodick. I could use a Dodick. Let's move in a little closer. Oh, there's a couple Dodicks and a T-Rex. That T-Rex worries me a little. Let's go here. Look at that doe dick. That must be a ground. What level was that? 135. Where's the ice one? Oh, there he is. Oh, that's an only level 25. Nobody wants that. 116. I really not want a poison RG. That's just normal RGs. Let's go get this raptor out of here. Oh, piece of cake. Piece of cake. Let's take a gander over there. Uh-oh. Nobody wants you, RG. Ooh, he's getting bloody. Come on, RG, any day now. Alright, that was only a level 12 RG. And let's drop what's up his melee. Let's drop that, drop that, drop that. I don't need all that meat. Let's drop that, drop that. I don't see. Oh, what is? Let's go over here and check. That's like a green Pteranodon. Not sure where it went. I want to go look for that. I'm not sure if there are poison Pteranodons. I have never had one, or I don't believe I ever seen one. I know there is ice and fire. It like landed. Let it be. I wonder if I can just knock it out. it's just kind of green and cool looking. I'll take that. Maybe not. I think I can do better than that. Let's not take that. Let's go back and look for an RG. We'll actually leave it there. And maybe, actually, let's put some. We might as well put some stuff on it. Do I have some normal meat? Oops, pretty dark. Let's gamma up so we can kind of see what we're doing. All right, let's go look for an RG. Let's go back to this corner. Oh, really? 2 T-Rexes now? A level 60 and a level 116. I don't, know if we can take those with our raptor. So let me look around and we'll BRBs, guys. And we're back. Let's go check on that Pteranodon. No good RGs. But we might as well check on this Pteranodon while we're here. Yeah, won't be bad. Turn it into a speed demon, I suppose. I'm not sure. Where we're going to find RGs without going too much in the snow biome. Is that a wow, that's a level 340. Not a badass one. I wonder if I can get it to chase me. Oh, here, let's check these RGs out. That's a level 200. And to level 16. And nothing really worth anything besides this one. Let's park this over here. Let's get on foot. Come and get me. Come back over here, Raptor. Alright, I need to get its attention. And don't think I hit it. Definitely overshot it. Better make sure I'm using tranks. I am. Come here, RG. I might have to go over. Come here, RG. Man, I only gotta hit this thing once. Yep, I don't think this one's coming back. No, I don't think. That was a nice 340 level 2. Yeah, he is not coming back. Just wasting arrows. Alright, let's go check on my Pteranodon. He should be close to getting up. Ew. Oh, there he is. He's up. I like the green. Let's take the prime off him. Let's rename him just to Rats. Did I really just hit cancel? All right, let's take him back to base. And I'll BRBs when I get him back to base. And we're back, guys. I got the Pteranodon back to base. Made a saddle. Now I'm back out looking for an RG. Hopefully we can find one. But now I'm on a bird, so I can look a little bit easier than on my Raptor. A high level RG or poison RG is kind of what I'm after. So hopefully I can find one. Boy, the birds are really colorful in this mod. Who is that? Let's check that RG. That's 200, so that's a possibility. Not as good as that 340 some that I saw. Oh, he's got decent toe power. Alright, let's forget about that spider. And still 2 Rexes, no RGs. Where is... That's my 300 RG. Let's get him to chase me. Oops. I need some stam. Glad I noticed that. Could have been trouble. Alright, let's go get this thing. Here I am. Let's just go get him. Did he go down? And no, that's him over there. Let's go get him. Let's go get let's go get my bird. I need to make some stimulants because then I could tame him real easy. I will BRBs when he's just about tamed up or dead. Hey everybody, welcome back. It's been a little while and he's only like that far. I wasn't thinking I should have made some kibble. There are kibble bending machines on this mod. But although I'm kind of close to home, if I leave, then mobs will spawn back in here and he'll probably end up getting eaten. But he's got pretty good numbers before tame, so I'm kind of excited to see what he tames out at. He is eating prime, so he still should tame out plus, you know, probably 160 levels, so it'll give me close to 500. But this is a beautiful bird. It's got the black tipped wings and he's kind of reddish. Very excited to have this bird. So BRBs when he gets a little closer to being tamed up. Welcome back, guys. As you can see, this RG is not gonna happen. I've been doing nothing but defending it, and now there's two sabers. So until we find another RG, which kind of stinks. I really like the color on that one, but that happens. I will BRBs when I find another RG. And we're back. I managed to get some rare flowers and rare mushrooms, so I made a sedative. So it will make an RG tame a lot easier, so I don't have to worry about it getting eaten. So back to the snow biome to try to find a decent level RG. And I will BRBs when I find one. Hey guys, welcome back. I found not as high as the one as before, but I believe it's level 200, which will work. I believe it's over here. Let's try to knock it out. It's this one right here, I believe. Now it's running away. And it will come back. Wait, it's not coming back? Come on back. I better follow it. Wow, that's weird that it's not coming back. There it is right there. Let's go follow it again. Is it really? It's just running from me. The heck? Why does everything run? I don't get why everything runs way too far. I don't get it. Alright guys, I'll look around for another one. BRBs. Hey guys, welcome back. I managed to knock out this 140. I used the sedative. Now he's just eating up a storm. Not the one I wanted, but this one only took one dart, and I had probably 4 or 5 into that 200 level one. But I needed an RG. So I am taking him back to base, and I'll BRBs. Hey guys, welcome back. Well, this is a good place to end this episode. Got a nice Pteranodon and a fairly decent RG. Not the original one I wanted. That was really cool looking and stuff. Dang, Sabertooths got that one. And thanks for tuning in. As usual, if you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And Rad will see you on a different day. Rats out. See ya!